Hello everyone, welcome back. And you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. iPhone 12, 12 Pro, and 12 Pro Max users have been reporting that their alert sound keep turning off itself. In this video, I will show you how to fix this issue. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's start. We start from basic. Solution number 1. Turn off and turn on your iPhone. For that, we have to go to Settings, tap General, scroll down and tap Shutdown, drag the slider to power off, wait for a minute and turn on your iPhone. Solution number 2. Turn off Bluetooth. To turn off Bluetooth, first we have to go to Settings, tap Bluetooth. If Bluetooth is turned on, turn off. Solution number 2. Turn off phone noise cancellation. To turn off this feature, we have to go to Settings, then tap Accessibility, then tap Audio and Visual, and turn off phone noise cancellation. Solution number 4. Adjust ringer and alert sounds. For that, go to Settings, then go to Sounds. Under Ringer and Alerts, move the slider to right to increase the volume. If volume is already high, decrease the volume by moving the slider to left side. Then wait for a minute and increase the volume. Solution number 5. Force restart your iPhone. To force restart iPhone, press home button and the power button at the same time until we see the Apple logo. And also, depend on your iPhone model to force restart. Solution number 6. Clean your speaker and remove case and screen protector. Solution number 7. Update your iPhone. To update iPhone, first go to Settings, then connect to Wi-Fi and make sure that you have a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection. Then go to General, tap Software Update and update your iPhone if update is available. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.